Federal court was packed today. Channel 5's Valerie Gonzalez wanted to see what the court's first full day of business would look like following the Attorney General's new zero-tolerance immigration announcement. Valerie, what did you find out?
A packed courtroom is what you typically find Monday mornings before Judge Scott Hacker. This Monday, the court was too full to allow the media in. An immigration attorney believes a memo from the Justice Department could keep the federal dockets full. If a person tries to enter this country illegally and gets caught, they're held by Border Patrol or Customs and Border Patrol agents. The U.S. Attorney's Office is then asked whether they will press federal charges and prosecute them. Sometimes they don't. The memo from the Justice Department is instructing them to take up every case. Immigration attorney Carlos Diaz believes this will change things.
The thing is that it will really, I think it will really put a burden on the courts that are already swamped with cases.
The memo states the move is in response to tactics that exploit weak points. Apprehensions decreased last year, but rose from February to March.
Although the numbers have gone down, and people are not coming illegally that way as much as they used to in the past, there's still a substantial number of people that will be affected by it.
Taking action on the first attempt to enter illegally into the U.S. could impact recidivism rates. That's when immigrants have more than one illegal entry attempt. That rate went down from 16% of immigrants apprehended in 2013 to about 10% last year. In the Valley, it's a greater problem among Central Americans and Mexican nationals. Data from 2016 and 17 shows one Guatemalan alone registered 29 illegal entries. This number of times they attempt to enter will matter when it comes to sentencing. Under federal charges, an immigrant can face up to 6 months in prison for their first illegal entry charge. More attempts will result in longer sentences. Add in past criminal histories, and that can grow up to 20 years.
If anybody was thinking about coming legally to the United States, I think the word that should be that you shouldn't come illegally to the United States.
Busier courts could mean a stress on resources. The policy encouraged U.S. attorney offices to identify and request resources as needed. Central Americans and others who request asylum are processed in immigration court. That's a civil matter not affected by this policy. In the newsroom, Valerie Gonzalez, Channel 5 News at 10.